Trigger pull. Today I'm going to show you how to convert a Python file into a standalone executable. First of all, you need a software called Python compiler. If you already have Python compiler, you can just launch it and we'll start. And if you don't have it, you have to go to the GG shop website to download it. This is it, so let's start. And now you are asked to input the file path. So go to the location of your Python file and copy path. Return to Python compiler, Ctrl V to paste and remove the double quotes. Press enter, and here you have to write in the target folder, for example disk F, and a folder called to there. Make sure you use a folder that exists. It doesn't exist. Okay, F. Now you are asked to input the executable file name. Let's call it maybe hero. Wait for it to compile your program. It's just a few seconds. Now go to disk F. This is it. As you can see, now our Heroa program can run as a standalone executable. So I think this is enough. Download the Python compiler program from ggshop.itch.io. Thanks and goodbye. Subscribe for more.